60,000 Battlefield 2042 players have petitioned for their money back. Players appear unhappy as even the game's updates have encountered several delays. Will, you're going to have to tell me what's going on here. I know that this has had a terrible reception.
Yeah.
I know it's been, what has it been? Bugs and just, it's been a disaster, right?
Yeah, a lot of promises that were, before launch was announced that wasn't in the game. And now, with how games are, they have seasons.
Mm-hmm.
And that season, the latest one, is pushed back because they have to fix the bugs for this version of it. So there's a lot of people who say that the game is not even working. There are some people that claim that I think in South Africa, they have one server out of like the whole place. And it's just, there's not enough people, especially for a game like this. Like it's big battles, a lot of people, and like it's a complete failure apparently for this company.
Good Lord, Will, take it easy,
Even
man.
EA like expresses like this game is a failure. Yeah, that's how bad it is.
Complete failure.
Yeah.
I'm not much of a gamer other than like Switch and stuff. But what I've learned over the last year is that games are hard to make. Like the Cyberpunk and now Battlefield. People are just not happy. Just from the news that I hear.
Yeah, but do you think games are hard to make, or do you think gamers have a high standard, specifically as a customer base?
Yeah,
or do you think that game developers are being overly ambitious with their promises?
I think it's the last one, latter. I feel like maybe they're just trying to shoot for the stars and not landing on the moon.
Or in some cases, people think they're being exploitive or like misrepresenting something because they really want to generate hype, maybe even knowingly that it's going to take them a long time to deliver it. So there's all these different potential reasons how you can end up here.
Yeah,
There's a lot of ways.
Are pissed though because like one of the most popular games was Among Us, and that wasn't very hard to make. Like there is not make, but you know what I mean. It's a pretty simple game. All right, there we go. I'm gone.
Mo's like, I make that game. Give me a week. I make a game. Hard to make. You see Mo's version of Among Us?
Yeah.
It's like it's a thumbnail.
Yeah, exactly.
Photoshop
it's just
thumbnail.
constantly changing thumbnails.
And he's just like, all
I
done.
make a game for people to do my job.
The publisher admitted itself that Battlefield 2042 did not meet expectations, and developer DICE has recently displayed a number of updates to the game, including the first season pass and the addition of a scoreboard.
Yeah, they didn't have like a proper scoreboard for a multiplayer game. They didn't have like a good scoreboard. It's like,
So you had no idea how good you were.
yeah.
Yeah,
Exactly.
well, listen, there's work to be done here. Complaints came immediately. I think, who was telling us that they got a refund almost immediately? I think that was Dave, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he said it was not going to happen. I mean, I have played some of the Battlefield games in the past.
And they were great.
Yeah,
Yeah, they were fun.
it was always kind of like a benchmark for a first-person game, like graphically and all the rest of it. So I don't know. Hopefully they can sort it out. Oh, look at this.
So they just passed 78,000 petition or signatures, and they're going for 150,000. Like they just keep bumping it up, and people keep signing it.
So this is a change.org petition to allow for a refund for Battlefield 2042 on all platforms. I guess they're not doing that, so they're trying to deny the refund? I would have assumed they would have just done it.
That's a lot of people.
I know, but remember Cyberpunk? They just pulled it and refunded everybody.
True, yeah.
At least on console. I guess this one is saying all platforms. So that might be a bit different, but we'll see how they respond. That is a lot of signatures. A lot of people upset.
Yeah.
Definitely.